What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here from richardhairston.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to be successful in affiliate marketing for the rest of 2022. Now, if you have not had any success at all in 2022 promoting affiliate products, there are probably several reasons why you are failing at doing so. And one of the reasons I think that a lot of people fail is because they want to get what is so-called multiple streams of income. You want to be promoting here. You want to promote this product. You want to promote that product. You're doing ClickBank. You're doing health products. You're doing network marketing. You're doing these, one-time sale companies and this, that, and other. You're just all over the place. And that's the very reason why you can't be successful, because when I started affiliate marketing, I was all over the place. I was promoting every product that I could get my hand on simply because I wanted to make money. It wasn't until I realized that I needed to focus on some key areas in order to make this work. And then when I started focusing on those things, that's when things started to happen for me. And now I'm having success regardless of whatever business opportunity that I join. But I'm still narrowed down to only 2 or 3 that I love to promote. I do not promote everything. I do not jump in everything that comes out, these ground floor opportunity products and a lot of the one-time sale products. Personally, for me, I want something that has a combination of that, one-time sales, but it has to have a residual income included with it. It's got to have residual income, because if something should happen that I'm not able to promote, then the money keeps coming in. Now, you can put videos out on your one-time sale products, your high-ticket products. You can put YouTube videos out on that, and people can still join you, but more than likely, people are going to want to get in contact with you. When I already have the people in the monthly program that are paying monthly, I don't have to worry about them contacting me because they are already in. Okay. So the reason I say residual income is because you want that money coming in month after month after month. You don't want to just rely on the continuation of promoting in order to get, one-time sale. So I want to give you 4 things or 4 tips in this quick little video on what you should do if you want to be successful at affiliate marketing for the rest of 2022 and beyond. And the first thing I can tell you, or I would like to share with you, is promote one product. If you're just beginning affiliate marketing, promoting several different products isn't going to work for you, simply because you don't know who your ideal customer is. You're just promoting products because you want to make money. You don't know who you're serving. You don't know who you're talking to. You just want to promote a product to make some money. Forget about the money and study and love the process, okay? And during the process, you're going to learn who your avatar is, who it is that you're serving with your particular product. I know that with the products that I'm promoting, okay, I know who my avatar is. I know who need the products. And I know how to put my message in a way that gets across to them, okay? So promote one product. The next thing you want to do is create a funnel and promote that one funnel. Don't be creating 5, 6, 7 different funnels to promote one product or to promote several different products, because now you're going to have a bunch of funnels in your funnel builder, and none of them are bringing you in any cash. None of them are making you any bank. You're not stacking bricks with any of those. So find you one product and promote one funnel around that product. The next thing you want to focus on is use one traffic source. Okay. Now there are, a lot of people, the biggest problem with a lot of people is they can't find traffic. They say they can't find traffic. It's hard to get traffic. That's not the case. Traffic is everywhere. Traffic is on Facebook. Traffic is on Google. Traffic is on Bing. Traffic is on YouTube, traffic is on TikTok, you name it, the traffic is there. You just have to know who you're talking to, and you want to focus on one traffic source. Now, if you're going to do Facebook until you master Facebook. If you're going to do Instagram, do Instagram till you master Instagram. TikTok, the same thing. YouTube videos, which is what I love to do. I'm not a master at YouTube video, but this is what I love to do. And guess what? It works for me. This is my main traffic source other than the paid traffic sources that I use. Why YouTube? Because YouTube videos are evergreen. These videos that I'm creating, unless YouTube shuts my account down, and I hope they don't, but these videos are going to continue to generate leads. They're going to continue to generate income because in my videos, I provide a solution to people's problem. Okay. And if you're watching this video, you want to know how to be successful as an affiliate marketer in 2022 or for the rest of 2022. Hopefully I'm solving a problem for you. And the problem that you have, you're jumping around, you're not promoting one product. The problem that you're having, you don't have a funnel set up to promote that product. The problem you have, you don't know where to get traffic from. Okay. And the next thing is promote that product in that funnel and use that traffic source for an entire year. Focus solely on that. You can always tweak your funnel. Okay. You can always do different messages for your products. Now, I know you look at a lot of YouTube videos and, you know, they teach you how to make $1,000 on ClickBank and how to, you know, $5,000 and blah, 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 blah. And you go watch the videos and then you join up for that program. Then they upsell you with this and they upsell you with that. And you still haven't made any money. And hey, I would like to tell you that it's not your fault, but the truth is it is your fault because you keep falling for the, you know, for their game. How many more products are you going to promote? How many more funnels are you going to create? How many more different traffic sources are you going to jump around to trying to earn some money? One of the biggest issues is, and this happened with me, is I didn't promote a product long enough in order for it to work. Okay. That's just the point about it. Now that I have changed my mindset, now that I know how things work and I'm still learning, I'm still a student at the game. I always be learning, but that's just all, you know, pretty much what it boils down to. If you want to be successful, focus on one product that you know that's genuinely that's going to help people. Focus on one funnel, okay, that's going to do all of the selling and telling for you. You can always tweak the funnel, okay, to make it better, okay. Focus on one traffic source, whether it be Google, whether it be YouTube, whether it be Facebook, TikTok, Bing ads, whatever the case may be, okay. Focus on that, okay, and promote it for a year. You cannot come in here as a beginner, okay, and start earning multiple streams of income unless the product that you are promoting or the company that you are an affiliate for have several different products within that company. Okay. Take, for instance, one of the companies I'm with, they have a low entry price, they have a residual price, and then they have a high ticket. Okay. Another company I'm with, they have a residual income, another high residual income, and then a one-time high ticket offer. Okay. So that's multiple income streams for me in one system. But each one of the products, although I'm doing this product over here and this product here and this product here, each one of them are residual income. If it does not have residual income tied in there somewhere, I don't want to fool with it. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video, but seriously, focus on this. If you want to be successful in 2022 or for the rest of 2022, promote one product, promote one funnel, promote one traffic source, promote it for an entire year without jumping to anything else. Tweak your funnel. Okay. Now, if you're looking for a program that's going to help you, okay, to do just what I said, that's going to give you the one product, that's going to give you the one funnel, that's going to give you the one traffic source, and you can promote it for a year. Learn affiliate marketing, learn the skills. Click the link in the description and join me in HBA. Join the all-in-one $25 digital business. Yes, I'm promoting that. I'm putting it out to you right now. But unless you want to continue to go down the road that you're going, that's fine with me. But I'm giving you the opportunity to join me in HBA. And look, when you join me, I can only do so much for you. I will set up your entire system. Connect your autoresponder, put in the letter, set up your funnel for you. I will share the traffic sources that I am using, okay? And mainly you see right now is YouTube videos, okay? And that's what I can do for you. For any other bonuses that you need, the all-in-one $25 digital business gives those to you. And personally, for as bonuses are concerned, you know, I got a bunch of them on my hard drive I never looked at. So it's probably going to be the same for you. But with that being said, go ahead right now. Click the link in the description. Get the all-in-one $25 digital business. My contact information is below, maybe above this video somewhere around here. Go ahead, get in contact with me. You can call me, text me, hit me up on Facebook. But with that being said, go ahead on, get started right now, and I will see you on the inside. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.